हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आई वेलकम यू अगेन टू आवर चैनल अफेयर्स 247 नेक्स्ट। तो आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं जितने भी करंट अफेयर्स हमने इस वीक में कंडक्ट किए हैं सभी का हम रिवीजन करने वाले हैं। एक बार फिर से गो थ्रू होने वाला है जिससे कि आपका जो कंसेप्ट एंड जो रिवीजन पोर्शन है वो आपको क्लियर हो सके। जितने भी जो 13 से लेके 19th तक जितने भी करंट अफेयर्स हमने कवर किए हैं वो सभी वन बाय वन हम डिस्कस करेंगे। विदाउट एनी वेस्टिंग टाइम, let's start with the current affairs. Your first question is: which Indian institute has topped the recently released QS World University Ranking 2022? Answer is IIT Bombay. Who has topped the World Best Banks in India category recently released by Forbes? DBS Bank. Who has recently won the title of US Women Golf Tournament? Answer is Yuka Sako. Then recently, Indo-Thai corporate exercise has been organized between India and which country? The answer is Thailand. Recently, who has been awarded with Pen Printer Prize 2021? Your answer is Shishti Dagramga. Okay. Then the answer is question number 6 is which country has formally pulled out of Open Skies Treaty? Answer is Russia. And you have to know that 34 state parties are there in the Open Skies Party, right? Next question: which country's ship Express Pearl has sunk near Colombo port? Answer is Singapore. Singapore's capital Singapore, currency Singapore dollar. And Singapore also called as Lion City, Garden City and Little Red Dot. Next question: recently, who has taken over as Director General Naval Operation? Answer is Rajesh Bhandarkar. Now, India is returning INS Chakra, the only submarine capable of carrying out nuclear attack to which country? Answer is Russia. Who has been reappointed as MD and CEO of Bandhan Bank recently? Answer is CS Ghosh. Now, question is which country has launched a global initiative mission innovation clean tech exchange? Answer is India. Which country of the world will become a mask-free country from June 15 during the Israel Corona period? Answer is Israel. Anup Chandra Pandey, the Chief Secretary of which state, has been appointed as the new election commissioner of the country? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. How many Indian universities have been ranked in the top 200 of QS World Ranking 2022? Answer is 3. The World Bank has approved how many million dollars program micro, small and medium enterprises business sector? Answer is $500 million. Which blood donor day takes place every year? Answer is 14th June. Which state government one-time relief of 5,000 rupees for financially weak artists? Answer Rajasthan government. Rajasthan government CM is Ashok Gehlot and Governor is Kalraj Mishra. Largest city is Jaipur. Recently, biotechnology company MyLab appoints whom as its brand ambassador? Answer is Akshay Kumar. And Salman Khan, you know, he is a brand ambassador of Chingari, Thumbs Up, Realme, Relaxo, Dixie Scott, Wheel, Britannia Tiger Biscuit, and all this stuff. Next question: with whom Jharkhand State Education Department collaborated to broadcast online classes for students of class 1 to 12? Answer is Doordarshan. Next question: the e-Nirvan portal and its mobile application launched by which state chief minister? Answer is Gujarat Vijay Rupani. Which bank partners with Oracle in Infosys for cloud-based customer relation management system? Answer is Federal Bank. Federal Bank, its headquarters is in Aloha, SBI's headquarters is Mumbai, ICICI headquarters is Vadodara, and HDFC headquarters is in Mumbai. Next question: which bank launches customer COVID relief Ghar Ration program? Answer is IDFC First Bank. Question number 8: who has been appointed as UNCTAD's Secretary General? Answer is Rebecca Greenspan. Next question: when International Albinism Awareness Day is observed? Question number and answer is 13th June. Next question: which city topped Global Livability Index 2021? Answer is Auckland. Who was conferred with Asia Pacific Productivity Champion Award 2021? Answer is RS Sodhi. Next question. Who has been appointed as Chief Justice of Allahabad High Court recently? Answer is Sanjay Yadav. Question number 13th. Shishu Seva scheme was launched by which state government? Answer is Assam. Assam Chief Minister is Himant Biswa Sharma. Governor is Jagdish Mukhi. And largest city is Guwahati. Next question. Which firm acquires Payback India? So Bharat Pay acquired Payback India. Next question. When World Day Against Child Labour is observed? Answer is 12th June. When World Elder Abuse Awareness Day observed? Answer is 15th June. Recently, ICRA estimated India's GDP growth rate for the financial year 2022. How much? And that is 8.5%. Who has written the book Home in the World recently? Answer is Amartya Sen. Envision is the mission of which space agency? Answer is European Space Agency. Which professor of IIT Roorkee has recently won the NSG Award for explosive resistant helmet? Answer is Professor Shailesh Govind Ganpule. Next question. Recently, who has become the new Prime Minister of Israel? Answer is Naftali Bennett. So, Naftali Bennett has been appointed as new Prime Minister of Israel. Question number 7. In which country Indian mango promotion program has been started recently? Answer is Bahrain. And question number 8. In June 2021, the Agriculture Ministry launched the Seed Minikit program, a centrally sponsored scheme under which mission? Answer is National Food Security Mission. Which country is going to host the 8th Triennial Conference of the International Nitrogen Initiative in June 2021 virtually? Answer is Germany. India aims to restore how much of degraded land by 2030 as per PM Narendra Modi? Answer is 26 million hectares. Which state government has decided to train 5,000 as health assistant for possible third wave of COVID-19? Answer is Delhi. Which state has decided to set up its own series of annual awards similar to Bharat Ratna? Answer is Assam. Assam state capital is Dispur, largest city is Guwahati, chief minister is Himanta Biswa Sharma, governor is Jagdish Mukhi. Twitter has lost its safe harbor immunity in which nation? Obviously in India. The world's first wooden satellite will be launched from which nation? Answer is New Zealand. Which among the following books won Pulitzer Prize 2021 in fiction category? The Night Watchman. So yes, these are your current affairs, okay, of the past 1 week, and just subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will never miss the latest updates and also the latest videos which I'll be uploading. So from Monday onwards, we'll also be discussing our current affairs on a daily basis. So stay tuned, stay focused, subscribe to our channel, and yes, subscribe our Instagram channel also. We have same name there, same channel, Affairs 247X. There also we upload on a daily basis more and more content. So stay subscribed both our channels. Till that, goodbye.